Ever wondered what it takes to manage some of the world's most successful products? What if you could learn from top experts and become the product manager that companies are desperately looking for? Well, that's exactly what the Product Management Certification by Simplilearn and Jain School of Global Management offers you. So why should you join this program? Here's the deal. Product management is one of the most exciting, fastest growing fields today. Companies everywhere are looking for people who know how to launch, manage, and improve their products. This program gives you everything you need to succeed, from hands-on experience with real-world projects to access to top-tier instructors. You'll be learning live, online, and interactively with industry experts who have worked at places like Google, Facebook, and Amazon. Not to mention, you'll also earn a professional certificate from Jain, one of the top business schools in Asia. Now let's talk about what sets this program apart from the others. The curriculum is designed to give you more than just the basics. You'll dive deep into real product challenges from companies like Netflix, Instagram, Tesla, and Nike. These aren't just hypothetical cases, they are problems these companies have faced, and you will get to solve them. Plus, you'll get a toolkit that includes everything you need to succeed. Tools like Jira, Mixpanel, Google Analytics, and Balsamiq, tools that real product managers use every day. Let's talk about what you'll actually learn in this program. The course is designed for both beginners and experienced professionals, and it covers everything from product strategy to launch and growth. You learn how to build a product roadmap, how to integrate design thinking into your strategy, and how to analyze market data to make informed decisions. Plus, you will dive into AI and generative AI. Yes, ChatGPT, Midjourney, tools that are transforming the product management landscape. Whether it's product ideathon, prototyping, or product lifecycle management, you will be ready for all. In this course, we will cover a wide range of skills and tools that are essential for any product manager. These include product strategy and market fit, rapid prototyping, designing and managing the product lifecycle, using agile and lean methodologies, conducting product analytics using Jira, Mixpanel, and Google Analytics. And by the end of this course, you will be a product management pro, ready to take any challenge. You'll also work on real-world projects that companies like Facebook, Tesla, Instagram, and Nike have faced. You'll get hands-on experience solving problems on improving product features, increasing user retention, and figuring out what a product succeeds in a competitive market. You'll apply your learning on these projects, creating a portfolio that will impress your employers. Now, if you're ready to dive into the product industry, this program will get you there. With product management being one of the hottest job sectors today, companies need skilled professionals who can not only manage products but also innovate and lead. And by the end of this program, you'll have the skills, experience, and the certification to stand out in this fast-paced field. And the best part is, firms are actively hiring product managers with the skills you'll gain from this program. Companies like Amazon, Google, Facebook, Oracle, and Microsoft are just a few examples. They need product managers who understand data, technology, and user needs to create products that make a difference. And with the Jain certification on your resume, you will be in the best position to land these roles. This course is perfect for working professionals who want to break into product management or level up their existing skills. It's open to anyone with at least 2 years of work experience. So whether you're in tech, marketing, design, or any industry, if you are interested in managing products that change the world, this course is for you. So what are you waiting for? If you want to become a product management pro, this is your chance. The program starts soon and the spots are filling up fast. Click on the link below to apply now and join the professional certification in product management by Jain and Simplilearn. So let's get started to take the product world by storm.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.